Structured workouts are critical for improving as an endurance athlete. One day, you show up to do your workout, and your coach says, let's do 9 reps of 800 meters with 250 meters recovery between each rep. Okay, no problem. I'll just use the interval setting on my watch and done. But then your coach says, let's add 12 quick strides at the end. I'm going to have to use the workout builder online, but I guess I can do that. After some thought, your coach says, actually, let's break this into 3 repetitions each. Oh, come on. I'm out of here. Unless you have the intelligent workout editor. With the intelligent workout editor, the hard work is done for you by the AI. It uses natural language processing to quickly deliver machine interpretable files. No programming required. Now, let's have a quick look at a comparison between using the intelligent workout editor on the left versus programming the workout the traditional way using Garmin Connect on the right. With the intelligent workout editor, we type our workout into the chat box and then hit enter. Whereas with Garmin Connect, we have to manually adjust each step. With the intelligent workout editor, a few seconds later, voila, the workout appears for us. So you undoubtedly see that the LLM prompt is much faster than the Garmin Connect version, but let's just speed things up and get to the point. And now we're finished on the right with the Garmin Connect. And as you can see, it took us about 1/8 of the time to use the intelligent editor, even with some rather slow typing. We can make this a lot faster using voice input or just if we wanted to create it from copy and paste. Now let's look at some quick examples of what the LLM is capable of generating. And I will use copy and paste to fill out the form, but all of the interactions are real time. So here we're going to look at 5 by 400 meters with 75 meters jogging rest. And so the LLM has to compute what that rest is given the jog. Now we'll switch to a ladder where we'll go from 200 to 1800 meters by 400. And the LLM has to calculate each individual step in between. So it has to add all the way through. We'll now look at something where it's a mix of repetitions and fixed values. So it has to go between the repetition and the run in a complicated form. This one requires converting from some shorthand, E meaning easy, T meaning tempo, and it has to use the plus. So it's a kind of more difficult thing for it to deal with. Here, it has to compute the 800 meters easy, and MP adds to a mile so that it can calculate the repetition of 5 times for the 5 miles, which is a really complicated process that requires the 405B. And this last one here is another one of the Jack Daniels ones where it requires converting from various shorthand into something more intelligible for both human and machine. So now for something a little different, we're going to use the multimodal version, and we're going to pass an image into the vision model to extract the different strings from the image, and then we'll take those strings and pass them into our previous workout parser in order to actually get the workout. So here we've taken the short code Jack Daniels and we've created a workout. Now, this of course has its own kind of issue where it did repetitions of 4 times a mile rather than a 4 mile run, but that can be cleaned up inside of an intermediate representation. And that's the intelligent work editor. I hope you enjoyed the project.